27. B.
April 30. Morning Sunday.
July, midday, 13. Today, 13th.
Saturday 30th. Yesterday. Holiday 70.
September, tomorrow, 11th.
Afternoon 17. 21.
27. C.
13. 30. 14. 40. 16. 60. 18. 80. 19. 90.
27.3.
When do you begin your holiday?
On the 30th of August.
That's next Saturday.
We're leaving in the afternoon.
And when are you coming back?
Saturday, September the 13th.
30th?
No, 13th.
27.4. 1.
$100? It only cost 17 last year.
2.
He was the 14th president of my country.
3.
The maximum number of people is 50.
4.
She was born in 1916.
5.
He was 30 on his last birthday.
6.
She'll be 80 in March.
27.3. 28. A.
Cartmel's a lovely little village in Cumbria. It's by a river and the buildings are all made of stone. There are lots of gardens with flowers and the people are really friendly. It's in a valley with forests and you can see the mountains in the distance. It's famous for its old church, the horse races in summer and the superb fishing.
B.
If you decide to go to Niterói, take the ferry. It's the best way to travel. You can just relax and enjoy the view, and you begin the day feeling refreshed. Don't forget to visit Fort Santa Cruz if you can. Ask someone to explain where the bus goes from. But make sure you arrive back at the ferry port before the last boat returns to Rio.
C.
Record. Record. Contrast. Contrast. Desert. Dessert. Export. Export. Object. Object. Present. Present. Produce. Produce. Protest. Protest. Rebel. Rebel.
.1.
This is a picture of a kitchen. There's a basket with apples, lemons and an orange. There are a few onions and carrots, and there's a cupboard with some sugar and coffee. There are yellow curtains with a flower pattern in the window. Outside, there's a garden, and the weather is sunny.
.2.
Did you forget to cancel the visit? Did you agree to delay the visit? Did you expect to repeat the visit? Did you begin to enjoy the visit? Did you offer to explain the visit? Did you decide to return the visit?
I listened and answered the questions. I received and copied the document. I arrived and entered the building. I relaxed and enjoyed the film. I tidied and repaired the car. I unlocked and opened the door.
(28.3) Example:
Money, machine, mountain, message.
1,
Answer. Agree. Allow. Attract.
2,
Middle, minute, mission, mistake.
3,
Compare. Correct. Copy. Collect.
4,
Garden, granny, guitar, grammar.
5,
Complete. Common. Careful. Crazy.
6,
Pronounce, provide, promise, prefer.
7,
Shampoo. Shoulder. Shower. Shopping.
8,
Reason, remove, receive, review.
28.4 Example:
I got my first record as a present when I was 11.
1,
You've progressed well this year, but I'd like to see even more progress.
2,
We import too much petrol and the country's export figures are going down.
3,
It started as a student protest, but now the army has rebelled against the government.
4,
In the desert, there is a big contrast between temperatures in the day and at night.
5,
These companies produce household objects such as fridges and washing machines.
29 A,
Bookshop, bus stop, footpath, airport, shoe shop, road sign, car park, bedroom.
Traffic light, bus station, sunglasses, boarding card, window seat, check-in desk.
Travel agent, art gallery, supermarket, tape recorder, photocopy.
29 B,
First class, half price, handmade.
Bad-tempered, old-fashioned, short-sighted.
Overnight, second hand.
29.1
There's a good shopping centre. You can find almost anything there. There are bookshops, shoe shops, a travel agents, a post office, a hairdressers, a supermarket, everything. And there are a few snack bars if you want a hamburger or something. Oh, and there's a sports centre too, with a swimming pool and a playground for the kids. But be careful with your handbag. I had my credit card stolen there once.
29.2 Example:
They did the photocopies overnight.
1,
I got this motorbike second hand.
2,
Using a typewriter is so old-fashioned.
3,
These earrings were handmade.
4,
I'm short-sighted like my grandmother.
5,
All the sunglasses are half price.
6,
The waiting room is for first class only.
29.3. Example.
Have you ever seen a ski jump?
1,
Have you ever seen a hot dog stand?
2,
Have you ever seen a knife point?
3,
Have you ever seen a keyring?
4,
Have you ever seen a toilet roll?
.30. B.
Educate, education, electric, electrician, decorate, decoration, music, musician, communicate, communication.
.30. C.
Scientist, scientific. Economy, economic. Atom, atomic. Artist, artistic.
.30.1. Example.
Child, childhood, childish, childishness, childless.
1,
Believe, believer. Believable, unbelievable. Unbelieving.
2,
Enjoy, enjoyable, unenjoyable. Enjoyment,
3,
Care, careful. Carefully. Careless. Carelessness. Carer. Caring. Uncaring.
.31. A.
Public, publicity. National, nationality. Photograph, photography. Democrat, democracy. Person, personality. Technical, technology.
.31. B.
At school, I hated science subjects like physics, chemistry and biology, and I wasn't very good at mathematics and things. I really liked subjects like history and geography. Anyway, when I went to university, I wanted to do economics, but I couldn't because I was no good at maths. So in the end, I did philosophy.
.31. C.
Photograph, photography, photographic. Economy, economics, economical. Democrat, democracy, democratic. Nation, national, nationality.
31.3.
My favourite subjects at school were sciences, especially chemistry and biology. I've always been good with numbers, so I was good at mathematics. I didn't really like the social science subjects like geography and history. When I went to university, I did computer technology.
31.4. Example.
Science. Scientist. Scientific.
1,
Electric. Electrical. Electricity.
2,
Biology. Biologist. Biological.
3,
Real. Realize. Reality.
4,
Create. Creative. Creativity.
5,
Act. Active. Activity.